So the Great Republic Day sale has just started, and if you're looking to buy a dash cam for yourself in this sale, why buy a dash cam which doesn't have a Starvis 2 sensor? Really why? Because Starvis 2 sensors create the magic which no other dash cam can bring in front of you, especially in low light conditions, especially in regards to reading number plates under low light conditions. So this is the ultimate list of the top 16 dash cameras which get the Starvis 2 sensor, and you should be taking a serious look at this particular list before you actually come to that purchase decision. Also guys, do note that all the cameras that I'm going to show and mention in this video, the purchase links for every camera will be given in the description below, along with the link for the detailed review videos as well. So if you are interested in purchasing these cameras and along with the accessories, just go ahead, click down on the description. You'll find all the details right there. That being said, if you still haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now and smash that like button as well. And of course, if you still haven't joined as a member of my channel, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and join my channel. You get amazing perks such as loyalty badges, you get to see videos before everybody else, and you will stand a chance to win a premium dash camera every single month of 2025. You're watching Travel Tech. Let's get started. So straight up starting off the list with the cheapest Starvis 2 based dash cam that's available in the world. I'm talking about the 70mm M200, generally coming at a price of 4,999, that's less than 5,000 rupees. This gets the Starvis 2 IMX662 sensor, gets full HD resolution with HDR, gets f1.8 aperture along with voice control, Wi-Fi and an optional parking mode. This camera also supports memory cards up to 128 GB. So if your budget cannot cross the limit of 5,000 rupees and you want to have some taste of the goodness of what Starvis 2 brings to the table, the 70mm M200 is your only choice within that budget range. Moving on to the next best option, the second dash cam in this list is one of the most popular and the highest selling dash cam probably in the world. I'm talking about the 70mm A510 front only variant. Yes, this comes at a price of under 10,000 bucks for the front only variant, and probably in this Amazon sale the price has come down even more. So if you want to have some higher resolution count such as the 3K 1944p resolution provided by the A510, which is backed by the Starvis 2 IMX675, this is a simply perfect camera under the 10,000 price bracket. I've made extensive videos, lots of videos on the A510. You can take a look at all of those videos if you want to get to know some more information about this camera. But if you have a budget of 10,000 bucks and you want some best video quality footage and the goodness of Starvis 2 sensor, the A510 front only variant is your definite and only choice. So when we are talking about the front only variant, we cannot miss out talking about the dual channel variant, wherein the front only variant comes at a price of less than 10,000 rupees. The dual channel variant comes at a price of close to 13 to 14,000 rupees, which gives you the goodness of having a secondary camera for the back, that's a rear camera. So I always recommend buying a dual channel setup rather than a single channel one. But of course, if your budget is too tight, go with the front channel one. But if you can extend your budget by a slight bit, go with the dual channel version of the 70mm A510, the highest selling and the most popular dash cam currently in India. Moving on to the next best option that's out there, slightly higher than the 10,000 price bracket, coming close to about 16 to 17,000 rupees in a normal sale. But in this Amazon sale, you probably might get this at a much lesser price. I'm talking about the 70mm S500, probably the world's first Starvis 2 backed mirror dash camera. Yes, this dash cam gets a Quad HD 1944p resolution backed with a Starvis 2 IMX675 sensor. Also gets a full HD rear camera along with a 9.35-inch fully laminated IPS touchscreen. This also gets a G sensor, Wi-Fi. This is the first dash cam from 70mm to be based on a super capacitor and also gets voice control. Moving on to the next camera, the fourth camera in this list has been one of the earliest adopters of Starvis 2 sensor. I'm talking about the VIOFO A110 Mini 2. Now what works in favor of the Mini 2 is its super compact, super mini size. Just as the name suggests, the camera is super small, comes just about within the palm of my hand and is very easy to conceal and probably will be hard to identify when you immediately take a look at it. This camera too gets a 1944p resolution with Starvis 2 sensor and of course can shoot 60 fps at even lesser resolutions. This camera also gets some super advanced parking monitoring features when you pair it with a hardwire kit, and the brand backing of VIOFO is something definitely worth considering. Although the A119 Mini 2 doesn't get a dual channel variant, the front only variant is simply powerful and good enough to provide you some ultimate footage, some really classy fine footage for the price you're paying for it. So this is a definite must buy to those who are looking to buy a super compact or super mini sized camera and just want to conceal the camera so that nobody can ever identify your car even has a dash cam. Moving on to the fifth dash cam in this list has been one of my favorite and has been the cheapest 4K camera to get a Starvis 2 sensor. I'm talking about the 70mm A810, and this dash camera is simply good. The front camera quality is flawless, right up to the mark and simply perfect. You cannot get a better quality under the price range of 20,000 if not for the A810. Coming at a price of close to 20,000 rupees, this camera gets the Starvis 2 IMX678, the flagship sensor from Sony. Along with it, it also gets the GPS logger, it gets ADAS, it gets 150-degree field of view, gets motion detection and time-lapse recording mode, along with the 256GB memory card support. And just as the A510, I have made lots of videos on the A810 as well, covering each and every single aspect of this camera. You can take a look at those detailed review videos if you're interested in buying the cheapest 4K resolution Starvis 2 back dash camera that's available out there. Moving on to the next option, coming close to the price of 25 to 26,000 rupees. Now there are lots of cameras in this price range and it's going to be a battlefield for that particular price range segment. Starting off with probably the most value for money Starvis 2 based dash cam that's available in the world. I'm talking about the Redtiger F77. Yes, the speciality of this camera is that not only does it offer the IMX678 sensor for the front camera, just like the A810, it offers the same sensor and the same resolution even for the rear camera. Yes, this is a dual Starvis 2 dual 4K setup, never seen before in the dashcam arena. I still have to get my hands on this camera and of course I'll be doing a detailed review of this camera whenever I get my hands on it. But considering the price this camera trends at and the features this camera offers, this is a shut your eye and take the camera deal. It's simply just that good. The initial responses and the initial reviews of this camera have been pretty good and I'm looking forward to take a detailed look at the F77. Moving on to the next camera, the seventh camera in this list, coming at a very similar price range as the F77, offers just one extra camera. I'm talking about the Wolfbox X5 Triple channel dashcam. Now this one I've tried out personally and I'm quite impressed with the kind of quality, especially the interior camera quality the X5 provides. Now this too is a Starvis 2 back camera and of course you can take a detailed look at all the amazing features the X5 has to offer. I've made a video on it. But coming at a price point of 25 to 26,000 gives the fight to the Redtiger F77 because the X5 is a triple channel variant whereas the F77 is a dual channel variant only. So someone who is specifically looking to get some more coverage around the car and wants to record the cabin of your car, F77 cannot do that, only the X5 will be able to help you out. That being said, moving on to the 8th dash camera. So even before the F77 or the X5 were even heard of, there was another camera which reigned supreme at the price range of 25 to 26,000 and kind of still has some hold in that area. I'm talking about the VIOFO A229 Plus dual channel variant. Now this too is a dual Starvis 2 setup, but the only difference which sets this apart from the F77 is that the A229 Plus offers a quad HD resolution, that's a 1440p resolution from both front and the rear cameras, whereas the F77 offers a 4K resolution from both front and the rear. But what works in the favor of A229 Plus is its reliability, its time-tested efficiency and the brand backing of VIOFO, adding to the fact that this camera, along with all other VIOFO cameras, gets the most advanced parking monitoring system ever seen on a dashcam. So I still consider the VIOFO A229 Plus dual channel variant to be still a very strong contender in the 25 to 26,000 price bracket range, along with the Wolfbox X5 and the Redtiger F77. But if only I could close the case with these three cameras, wherein a new camera entered again at a similar price range of about 25 to 26,000. But in this case, it's not a regular traditional camera, it's a mirror dash cam. I'm talking about the Wolfbox G900 Pro. So this is one of the most advanced mirror dash cams that you're ever going to buy, that's currently available in the global market. This too gets a Starvis 2 sensor, front 4K resolution and a quad HD rear, gets you a 12-inch screen, gets GPS, gets 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control and many other features which work really in the favor of the G900 Pro and is quite a capable camera, quite a capable reverse view mirror camera for those who are specifically looking for it. So these four cameras occupying the same price range gives kind of a lot of options for end users, for customers to choose from, and that's actually quite a good thing. So in this sale, all these cameras are carrying discounts, so you need to make sure that you select the right camera, select the right one which suits your needs if you have a budget of about 25 to 26,000 rupees. That being said, let's just move a bit away from this budget range because it's getting too crowded in the 25,000 segment. Let's move on to the 30 to 31,000 segment, and I'm talking about the VIOFO A229 Plus triple channel variant. Just similar, exactly the same to the dual channel variant, but this one gets an extra cabin camera or the interior camera. Now the good thing is that even the interior camera is backed by the older gen Starvis sensor, along with getting you dual Starvis 2 setup. So the VIOFO A229 Plus Triple is again a superb value for money proposition if you consider the overall package, the overall features the A229 Plus provides, and getting the interior camera is simply cherry on top. So moving on to the next option, slightly costlier or slightly pricier compared to the A229 Plus Triple, coming at a price of about 33 to 34,000 rupees. I'm talking about the Vantrue N4 Pro Triple Channel Dash Cam. Now if you thought the quad HD resolution of the A229 Plus for both front and the rear was just less and you kind of needed a bit more, spending a few extra $1,000 can get you the N4 Pro, which gives you 4K front with Starvis 2 and full HD resolution for both interior and the rear camera. This gets the Starvis 2 IMX678 along with HDR and also gets voice control, GPS, parking mode, and supports memory cards up to 512 GB. I personally tried and tested out the N4 Pro and I'm quite happy and completely satisfied with the performance the N4 Pro brings to the table. I specifically like the large screen the N4 Pro provides, the ease of use and the user interface of this camera. Do make sure to check this camera out if you have a budget of close to 33 to 34,000 rupees. But what if a triple channel dash cam is too mainstream for you and you want something more? What about a quad channel dash cam or the world's first 4-channel dash camera, slightly pricier compared to the N4 Pro? I'm talking about the Vantrue N5 quad channel dash cam, coming at a price of about 35 to 36,000 rupees. So this is the world's first 4-channel cam, providing you a 360-degree coverage. Should I say more than 360-degree coverage, because most cameras kind of overlap their views. This camera is pretty much the king of coverage, I must say, and provides you the top-notch quality which you would expect from a Vantrue dash cam. This shoots at 2.7K resolution from the front and a full HD resolution from the rest of the 3 cameras, wherein it brings in a new camera at the rear, which is a rear cabin camera which focuses towards the front of the car from the trunk side. In terms of getting you top-notch video quality, in terms of getting you a very reliable performance, and more importantly giving you a complete 360-degree plus coverage around the car, there is no other camera that can beat the Vantrue N5. But where the Vantrue N5 comes at a price of 35 to 36,000 rupees, there is another camera which occupies the same price range, giving a fist-to-fist fight to the N5. I'm talking about the VIOFO A229 Pro Dual Channel variant. So the N5 offers you a quad channel, basically 2 extra cameras. The A229 Pro Dual Channel offers you 2 cameras, but the difference lies in the fact that the A229 Pro offers you a 4K resolution at the front, wherein the N5 was 2.7K, and the rear camera of the A229 Pro offers you a quad HD resolution backed with the Starvis 2 sensor, wherein the N5 offers you a full HD without the Starvis 2 sensor. So you should definitely check out your priorities and your requirements before you actually decide between the two. That being said, the VIOFO A229 Pro Dual Channel variant is kind of the king of dash cameras, or should I say the previous king of cameras, because a new camera took that place. That being said, the VIOFO A229 Pro is a tremendously good camera, a super powerful camera, kind of a superhero of dash cams, and every single aspect of this camera has been fine-tuned so that you don't have to worry about it once you install this dash cam. But moving on from the A229 Pro, there is another camera from Vantrue which is kind of new in the Indian dash cam market and not like has been released out properly. I'm talking about the Vantrue S1 Pro. Now this offers you a Starvis 2 resolution with a 2.7K front and rear cameras, along with giving you HDR, It also supports a quad HD resolution at 60 fps. It has built-in GPS, voice control, parking mode, and supports memory cards up to 512 GB. So this is kind of a relatively newer camera, and I don't think I have seen many lot of reviews of this camera, but it's something quite to consider, and you should definitely be checking out the S1 Pro if you have that kind of a budget. Now, wherein the S1 Pro comes at a price of about 37 to 38,000 rupees, slightly higher price range, about 40,000 rupees, you get the previous king of dash cams, the VIOFO A810 Pro triple channel variant. So just one camera extra when you compare it to the dual channel variant, with all the goodness, with all the bells and whistles the A810 Pro dual channel provides. So this is sort of still the best dash camera in the world, except for a few features here and there, and you simply cannot get anything better than this in the dashcam market, both in India and globally. The A810 Pro series from VIOFO represents what best dashcams can do, and they are the pinnacle of that technology. And just when I thought so, VIOFO released another camera called as the VIOFO A329. Now this is the elder brother of the A810 Pro, and this camera offers something which no other dashcam has even dreamt of, not even the A810 Pro. This camera can shoot 4K at 60 fps. This has got a storage limit of 4 GB, no, 4 terabytes. Yes, this supports external SSD storage up to 4 terabytes. It has got a HDMI port which you can use to stream the videos directly from the dashcam to your TV or monitor. It's got USB 3.0 standards, and it's got a long list of features, unique features, which every dashcam should take a lesson from. The current king of dashcams, the VIOFO A329, comes close to the price of about 40 to 41,000 rupees, and is a definite must buy if you have no limits on the kind of budget you want to spend on a dashcam and you want to have the best of what's available out there. So this was the 16th and the last camera of this list, and all these 16 cameras get the power of Starvis 2, and only these 16 cameras should be on your list if you are looking to buy a dashcam in the current going on Amazon sale with some super amazing discounts. You're not gonna get a better time to catch these dash cameras at such discounted prices. So don't miss this opportunity, don't miss this chance. Go ahead and grab that Starvis 2 back dash cam right now. I mean, I would go ahead and grab one dash camera right now if I wanted one, but this is what you can do right now, and this is your golden chance to save yourself some super cool amount of money. That being said, if you are interested in purchasing any of these dash cameras, the links to purchase each of them are given below in the description. Also do note that some of the cameras I have provided my own personal affiliate link. So if you want to support my channel, if you want to support my work, just grab the camera using my personal affiliate link rather than the Amazon one. But if you are interested in getting it from Amazon, you can of course do that as well. I'll provide you the Amazon link for all the dash cams too. That being said, if you like this video and if you like the way I've presented it, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now. Smash that like button and don't go away without hitting the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. That being said, if you still haven't subscribed as a member of Travel Tech channel, don't waste your time, go ahead, grab that membership right now. You're gonna stand a chance to win a premium dashcam every month of 2025. You're gonna get loyalty badges on your chats, and of course your name is going to stand out on my channel for a long time. Thanks for watching, and go grab those Starvis 2 dashcams right now.